In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone to Nissan Qashqai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which iPhone you are using, you can connect it to your Nissan Qashqai. This process will also work with any other Nissan model or even different years that you have. So all that you have to do to get this done is to use Bluetooth. You can potentially connect your iPhone with a cable, which might be a better approach for certain people, but in this video I'm going to be showcasing the Bluetooth method. So to do it through this method where you don't rely on a cable and you are going to do it through a wireless connection, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your device. With Bluetooth enabled, then proceed onto the car's dashboard. This is going to differ depending on the year of your Nissan Qashqai, but in general you have to go over to the settings, so click on the setup button, or if you have a touchscreen, only go to setup and then look for telephone and Bluetooth. So on this example here, it has an icon with the label telephone and Bluetooth, but this might be different for you. So find the Bluetooth options on your particular year car, and then once you go inside of telephone and Bluetooth setup, you will find the option to pair a new device. Tap this button and now it is going to start pairing. Now, if you look under the Bluetooth devices nearby on the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone, you should be able to find your Nissan. It is either going to be labeled as only Nissan, Nissan Qashqai, or Nissan Connect. Find it and then tap on the option to connect with your car. Once you tap on it here on this list, a prompt will appear with a pin. All that you have to do is make sure that the pin displayed here is the same as this pin displayed on your iPhone. You don't need to type it out again. You don't need to do anything else like downloading the application. Just make sure that they match and that they are equal. If both of the pins are the same, this confirms that you are trying to connect your Nissan Qashqai with your phone, so you will be good to go with the connection established. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So, if this video helped you, a subscription would mean a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.